Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code E07 for your Maidesite standing desk. First, unplug the desk's power cable from the wall outlet completely and leave it disconnected for at least 30 seconds. This simple power cycle can often clear minor glitches, resetting the system. After waiting, plug the power cable back in firmly to a working outlet. Next, carefully inspect all cable connections, focusing on the motor and the control box. Ensure that every plug is seated tightly and correctly into its corresponding port, making sure there are no loose wires. A loose connection is a very common cause of error codes, so check both sides of each cable, giving them a gentle push. This step helps ensure consistent power and signal flow. If the error persists, you will need to perform a full recalibration of your desk. To begin, press and hold the down button on your desk's control panel. Continue to hold it until the desk moves to its lowest position and then slightly rises before moving down again. Release the button, and the E07 error should now be cleared, as the desk has reset its height limits. With your controller configured and DS4 Windows active, launch MX Bikes. Once in the game, open the main menu and go to the Options section, then select Controls. Here, you should see your controller recognized as an Xbox 360 gamepad. Assign the in-game actions like throttle, brake, and steering to your controller's buttons and axes. Make sure to apply these changes before exiting the control settings. This step bridges the software to your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.